Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today is October 26 and it's already 8 PM. Nandito pa ako sa workplace ko. Ayan, ito yung office ko. So, nalate ako ng uwi kasi umulan ng malakas ngayon. For the first time, umulan dito ngayon sa Dubai because winter is coming. So, since umulan, baha, maputik, traffic, so yung service car ko is hindi makakapunta kasi nga traffic and baha. Ganyan din yung ka-work ko na security guard. Yung security guard namin dito sa warehouse namin, hindi rin siya masusundo ng company service car nila kasi nga because traffic, naipit sa traffic. So ngayon, nag-decide kaming dalawa na maglakad na lang from our office to the metro station. I think it will take 20 to 30 minutes na lakaran from our warehouse to the metro station. So ayun guys, samahan nyo kami sa paglalakad hanggang makauwi ako ng bahay. So guys, ito yung view sa harap ng office namin. Papakita ko sa inyo yung entrance ng office namin. So ito yung pinaka main entrance. Tapos ito yung harap ng aming warehouse. So kung nakikita nyo yung daan, basa siya. Pero kanina dyan, meron akong video dyan kanina, talagang ang dami, baha dyan, ang lalim ng tubig. So maglalakad tayo papunta dun and hanggang makarating tayo sa metro station. So ituturo ko kayo guys. So ayan guys, nag-start na kami maglakad. Ito pala yung ka-work ko, security namin. Ang pangalan niya is Amin, but I usually call him Amina EE. Waka Waka EE. Samina. He's from India. So ngayon,
hello guys,
welcome to my vlog. He said welcome to my vlog.
Thank you so much.
So ayun guys, we need to cross the road because nga we are going to the metro station. And there's a lot of cars behind us, so it's hard for us to cross the road. So we need to cross carefully, my friend. I don't want to die, but let's go. Okay, finally we made it to cross the road, and we are heading to. First, I'm going to bus station. If I can buy a NOL card. So NOL card, it's a ayun yung wala tayong mag-English guys, nahihirapan ako. Yung NOL card, yun yung ginagamit namin dito pambayad sa bus or sa train. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya guys pag nakabili na ako ng NOL card. So ayun guys, muulan na naman, although mahinang ambon lang, but laban lang kasi kailangan ko umuwi. Usually yung working time ko talaga is from 9 AM till 7 PM. But since nga umulan na sobrang lakas, nagstay ako sa office until 8 para pahulawin yung ulan. So tumila na yung ulan, and then ngayon kung kailan kami nag-start maglakad, umabon na naman. And nga pala, yung English ko guys, may expiration yun. During working hours lang yun. After working hours, expired na. So hindi na ako makapagsalita ng English. So bahala na lang si Amin na kung maintindihan yung sinasabi ko. But my goal is to go home safely, not wet. So guys, to those of you asking, Amin is still single and he's looking for a Filipina nurse to get married. So he is planning to go to UK someday. That's why he's really eager to marry a Filipina nurse. So guys, I will leave his number on the comment section. Okay. So if any one of you interested of him, you can contact him.
Only nurse, Philippine nurse.
Only Philippine nurse. That his requirements.
Yeah.
Filipino nurse. Okay, with license in UAE, so they can live together and they can go to UK. Right, Amina?
Yes, that's right.
You say that's right. Waka waka eh. So yun yung kasi yung goal niya guys, makapag-asawa ng nurse and makamunta ng UK. So I told him someday I will bring him to Philippines and then iwanan ko na lang siya doon. Hayaan ko siyang makapangasawa doon ng Pilipina. So iwanan ko yung contact number niya guys. Please comment down below kung gusto niyo siya.
Yeah, please contact me.
My God. Medyo basa na ako guys kasi nga lakas ng ambon. But it's okay, malapit na kami sa train station. I mean sa bus station bago makarating ng train station. So yan guys, malapit na kami sa may bus station. So parehas kaming gutom. Gutom na kami parehas. But wala na kaming choice. Kasi nga, wala kaming sasakyan. Hindi makakapunta yung sasakyan namin, yung service car namin. So, yeah. I mean,
Yes.
it's your fault. That's why we're suffering tonight.
I am failure.
We're failure.
Every day I told I am failure, failure,
Yes.
failure.
You're unlucky guy.
When I get married for the next time, success my life.
See? So his goal is to marry. That's his really goal, huh? His goal is to marry a nurse
Yeah.
and
That is
to
my
become
aim and
successful. My God, it's so failed. My shoes is muddy. I'm wet because it's raining, guys. Naambon, but hindi naman siya masyado kalakasan, pero basa na ako. Yan, so nasa bus station na kami within 3 minutes. See, look at the camera, it's nice. It's clear.
Here is also like,
Yeah.
there is also Burj Khalifa.
But it's
Very long,
this camera
yeah.
doesn't have zoom. It can't zoom. Ay. Buhay OFW.
It's very rainy and very muddy.
Yeah, it's rainy, it's muddy, it's traffic. All the bad things happen to us tonight because Amina is unlucky guy. He brings bad luck. He's a failure, as he always saying.
Yes, so
I always ask him why we are poor. He will
every day we are thinking.
yeah, every day we're thinking, Amina, why we are poor, why we don't have
when
money,
we are successful or
when we'll become rich.
Yes,
And he will tell me he's a failure.
inshallah.
Inshallah,
Yeah.
someday. But every weekend I used to.
My God, there is fully
Oh,
water.
too much water, guys. I'll show you the water.
No post.
Oh, how can I cross? How can I go to the bus stop? I think we need to cross here, my friend. Shit. Ayoko pa na mabasa yung shoes ko, guys. Kasi working shoes ko siya. But look at the water. See, tingnan mo. Bulusong sila. See? Mga nakahubad na sila ng shoes. Oh my God. Amina, why like this? Too much water. See guys. Look at the water, guys. Oh my God.
Very water.
Very water. Too much water. Look at the track. There's no way I can go home dry. I don't want my shoes to get wet, but I don't have any choice. Yeah. So yun na, inuwanan na ako ni Indiano. Nagmamadali siya kasi guys, paano ako makakasakay nito? Look, tingnan mo naman oh. Bang baha. Oh my God, my friend, I don't want my shoes to get wet. See, look at them, they are removing their shoes. I don't want to remove my shoes because I'm riding metro. Oh my God, guys, I need to stop filming now. Kasi kailangan ko mag-decide kung nuhubari ko ba yung sapatos ko o hindi. Kasi sasakay ako ng train. I think we can go this way, so, my friend. Guys, nandito na ako sa bus station, but baha talaga. So naghubad na ako ng sapatos. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan na, nagubad na ako ng sapatos. Kasi nga, kahit saan ako pumunta, may tubig. So ayun, nabasa na yung pako guys from some shoes. And my friend, how we can go cross there? Look at the water guys. See, it's everywhere. I think we need to go that side. Madumi yung tubig but wala akong option guys. Ayoko mabasa yung working shoes ko. See, kahit saan ka pumunta, malalim yung tubig. Yeah, but we need to wait for the car to stop before we can cross. Shit. Yeah, we need to cross. Wait for me. Okay, let's go.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Here is the water.
Okay, let's cross.
Very risky.
Yeah, it's very risky. So guys, ayun pala yung bus station. So hindi na ako pupunta ng bus station kasi wala naman din akong knoll card. Punta na lang ako direct ng So ayun guys, wala kasi akong knoll card. Punta na lang ako direct ng train station. Doon na lang ako bibili ng knoll card. Kasi knoll card ko binigay ko sa pinsan ko. At sana wala nang baha para makapagsapatos na ako kasi nakakahiya kung pupunta ako ng loob ng station ng nakayapak, di ba? So yun guys, pakita ko sa inyo pag nandun ako sa train station. So yun guys, kailangan ko na magsuot ng shoes kasi malapit na kami sa may train station. So Amina is the one who's taking video. Show them how the road is.
See guys, see the road. We are walking there that way. Very difficult bros. Today Dubai is very rainy. See the water, see the water.
And you're taking over my vlog.
Yes, now I am taking the video for Cape Mon Diaries.
Guys, Amina is taking over my vlog.
See guys.
Because we are poor.
Yeah. Hey bro is very hard worker. See.
Look how we suffer here. We're suffering.
He's very nice man. See.
Okay. Done?
Done.
And now we're heading to the electric station.
Yeah, okay.
Let's go. Guys, so within 3 minutes nandun na kami sa train station. So safe and sound. Hindi naman kami nabasa. Although nabasa yung pa ako kasi I need to remove my shoes. Kasi naman mabasa yung shoes ko. So magubad na lang ako ng sapatos. Pakita ko sa inyo yung train station guys. Ayun, doon sa side na yun, doon yung metro station. Kung sa Pilipinas para siyang magandang airport, pero dito train station lang. Actually alam ko bawal mag-vlog doon eh, bawal mag-video doon. Kasi may nahuli na before nung nagti-TikTok. So mabilisan lang guys ha. Tingnan nyo naman guys kung gaano ka-traffic oh. Main road yan ha, Zayed Road. Pero haba ng traffic. Tapos look, ito yung sa train station. Tingnan mo yung haba ng pila guys. Dahil sa ulan, maraming car yung hindi nakabiyahe kasi pag nabasa sira. Ang daming tao oh. Haba ng pila. So guys, paakit na ako ng sa train sa may platform. So bumili ako ng Nol card which is 25 dirhams. Then tayo ko lang yung train para makauwi na. So ayun guys, kakalabas ko lang na metro station. Ayun yung metro station oh. So ngayon mag-aantay na lang ako ng bus papunta sa bahay, pero tapusin ko na yung vlog for today kasi pagod na rin ako, hindi ako makapag-vlog sa bus. So yun lamang po for today's video, and see you next time. Bye bye. Ayun guys, ang lakas ng ambon. Kung nakikita nyo na